Hi guys, welcome to the lesson. Today we're doing cell biology, chromosomes, lesson 4. So let's get to the marks. Okay, check out this diagram of a cell. You'll see the center, the organelle is called the nucleus. The question is, what's inside the nucleus? Well, inside the nucleus we have a chromosome. And what is a chromosome? A chromosome is a piece of DNA. What's happened to it? It's been wrapped up really tightly and coiled into a thread-like structure. Now, chromosomes come as a single arm, but just before cell division, they actually turn into X shapes. And you'll learn about that in the next lesson, so don't worry too much about that now. But chromosomes are sometimes drawn in diagrams as X's or as single threads. Now, each chromosome contains hundreds to thousands of genes. What's a gene? Well, look at the black circled bit of the DNA. It's just a short section of DNA. And a gene codes for a different characteristic, like eye colour, hair colour, tongue length, your earlobe, literally anything you can think of, and any characteristic in your body is influenced by genes. Even things like the surface area of your cell membranes will be coded for by genes. So all living things have genes. So even this dog in the picture, all of its features are coded for by genes. Even a bacterium that is on your hand right now, or a fungi cell, its genes code for all of its characteristics. So, genes are found in all living things. They're even found in some non-living things like viruses. Anyway, let's move on. Body cells. You've got 2 copies of each chromosome in your body cells. And we've got 23 chromosomes we get from our mum, and 23 we get from our dad, or 23 from mother and father. So in each cell, whether it's a muscle cell, a skin cell, or a hair cell, we'll have 23 pairs of chromosomes. 23 we inherit from mum and 23 from dad. That makes a total of 46 chromosomes in the nucleus of every cell. There are some cells in the human body, a few, that don't have that amount, but we will cover those in another lesson. So we can say we have 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. And here we can see the 23 pairs. This means that you actually get 2 copies of each pair. So every human has 2 copies of chromosome 1, 2 copies of chromosome 2, 2 copies of chromosome 7, as you can see circled here, and so forth. A total of 23 pairs. And we've mapped all of these now, and you'll learn about that in biology paper 2. It's called the genome. Let's check our knowledge for now. Pause the video, answer these questions, and then we'll go through the answers. Are you ready? Here we go. What cell structure holds the chromosomes? So think about which organelle. It's the nucleus. What is coiled up inside a chromosome? DNA. What's a short section of a chromosome called? And the answer, of course, is a gene. And what do genes control? And the answer is your characteristics, your eye colour, hair colour, tongue length, those sort of things. How many pairs of chromosomes are in our body? 23 in each cell. Why do we have 2 copies of each? Why not just 1? Well, the idea is we get 23 from mother and 23 from father. And later on, when you study inheritance in biology paper 2, you'll find out about how dominant and recessive genes decide your characteristics. So that's all for now. Let's get to the marks.